Hello, welcome to Berts Body Tips, the weekly video series that gives you tips, tricks, and secrets that the professionals use. I know you're going to have fun and learn something, so let's see what Bert has for us today.
Hi, this is Bert. I showed you how to do the guide code and save money on guide code last week. Here's a door that I did on a Camaro, and what we use the guide code for is we block it when it shows any high spots and low spots or any imperfections. That way you get a perfect job. You take it and block it like this. And I like to put X pattern on it. And if you got any imperfections, it will show you. We don't have any imperfections in this one. It's a little low here, but I believe they come out in the primer. And so next week I'll come up with something else to try to help y'all out. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us on Bert's Body Tips. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas you'd like to see in future videos, please leave them in the box below. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.